If this world were mine, I would place at your feet.
Hey y'all, it's Quijuandas. Welcome back to my channel. I appreciate each and every one of you. Today I will be showing you how I went from an old twist out to a stretched fluffy afro. So if you're interested in seeing how I achieved this style, keep on watching. So I start by sectioning my hair off into smaller, more workable sections to make the process easier. Then I go in with my handheld steamer, this is the Quijuandas, to add moisture, detangle, and stretch each section. After the Quijuandas, I use my wide tooth comb to further detangle the section before twisting it up, and I repeat the process on the remainder of my head. After stretching and detangling, I unravel and comb out each twist and begin to fluff each section into my desired afro shape using both my wide tooth comb and my fingers. Next, I take my Afro pick and begin to lift at my roots, picking upward and outward for more height and volume. And lastly, I take my hands to pat and mold my Afro into place. So these are my results. This video is actually a follow-up to the Afro tutorial I posted to my channel a couple years back. That video is a lot shorter. It's not as detailed, but you can definitely go check it out to compare my hair growth now to 2 years ago. I'll link the video above and below in the description box. However, I do want to touch on a few frequently asked questions that I continue to receive on that video. The most frequently asked question I receive is what products I use. As I mentioned earlier in the video, this is an old twist out. I always do Afro styles on old hair. And as you can see, I didn't add any products. So I guess you could say I used the Almond Joy Twist and Butter by Camille Rose, since that's what's left over in my hair from this particular twist out. But water, and in this case the moisture from the steamer, is all I needed to add in order for my hair to fro up. Another question I receive is how I keep my Afro hydrated and moisturized, and I do so by spritzing my Afro with water and applying a light oil to seal in the moisture. How often do I moisturize my Afro? Typically 1 to 2 times a week. A question I receive a lot is how I keep my Afro from shrinking up afterwards. And trying to avoid shrinkage is a battle I stopped fighting a long time ago. So aside from starting on stretched hair and pineappling at night, that's all I do. Speaking of the pineapple, that brings me to the last question, which is how I maintain my Afro at night. I take an elastic headband, slide my Afro into a loose puff, and add my bonnet. That's it. So I hope y'all enjoyed this updated Afro tutorial and that it was helpful. Leave any additional questions you have below. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share this video with all your people. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.